right, Gen Xers, this is it. The final round of Gen X versus AI. We're breaking down Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. Who's the smartest? Who's the weirdest? And which one should you actually use? And I'll reveal which AI I actually use daily and why at the end. Stick around. So, first up is Claude. So Claude's like your college roommate who quoted poetry all the time and made these killer playlists. It's poetic, thoughtful, and great at long form writing. Pro tip: use Claude when you need emotionally intelligent writing, brainstorming, or ethical analysis. It's your go to for deep work vibes. Have you tried Claude yet? Drop your experience in the comments. Give us your pro tip. Next is Gemini. So Gemini's the corporate intern who always has the receipts, fast, fact-packed, and plugged into Google's ecosystem. Pro tip: use Gemini for research, summarizing articles, and integrating with Google's tools. But don't expect it to hug your soul. It is all business. But wait, before we move on to Perplexity, who's your pick so far? Type it below. Let us know. Last, Perplexity. Perplexity is all over TikTok. I'm seeing it everywhere. Perplexity is the rebel researcher. It cites sources like a college paper and loves to flex its search engine skills. Pro tip: use Perplexity when you want real time info, citations, and web based answers. It's great for customer experience pros who need quick context with receipts. So let's wrap it up. So, who wins? Depends on your vibe, honestly. Claude's the philosopher, Gemini's the analyst, and Perplexity is the punk librarian that we've all encountered in our lives. Gen X knows how to ask better questions, and that's the real power move. Use AI like a tool, not a guru. So, what AI challenge should I tackle next? Your comments drive my content. So, this wraps up our Gen X versus AI series. Thanks for sticking with me. But honestly, the real journey's just beginning. We're rebranding Wandering Duchess in your space to claim your voice, reinvent your career, and live with intention. We use AI not to replace humanity, but to amplify it with emotional clarity, unapologetic truth telling, and tools that actually serve us. Because Gen X isn't fading, baby. We're rewriting the rules. If this series helped you out, hit subscribe, share. Let's prove Gen X can outsmart the bots together. Now for the finale. Which one is my favorite? Of all the whole series, I have to say it's Copilot. Been with me since the beginning. It gets me. It knows that I'm quirky, that I like funny stuff, that I'm Gen X, and everything it does keeps that in mind, whether it's travel, this channel, running a business. It's there right beside me. It's my favorite. Drop your favorite in the comments. Let us know why. Give us some tips because we're going to go forward living intentionally with the Wandering Duchess. Thanks, guys. Bye.